In this video, you are going to learn how to change the row height and column height in Microsoft Excel. We are going to use two different methods. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. To change the row height and column height, we use this method frequently. Just keep your mouse cursor between the column. You will see the cursor has been changed into an arrow symbol. You can just drag it to change your column height like this. As well as if you keep your mouse cursor between two rows, you will see the mouse cursor has been changed and you can drag it like this and it will be changed. Here is another beautiful method. To change the column height, keep your mouse cursor over here, just double click the left button and you will see it will be auto fit. Again, click on over here and click on double click and it will be also auto fit. To change all the row height using the proper way, just select all the rows. You need to change the height. Click on right button, go to row height and write your desired height over here. I need 40, so click on OK, then it will be changed. If you want to change the column height like this, click on right button, go to column height and change it to 20 and it will be changed. So this is the proper way to change the row height and column height in Microsoft Excel. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.